Welcome back, continuing the news. The West has officially been won by the JLP. The Magisterial Recount in Eastern Westmoreland was completed this morning, with the JLP candidate now adding one more seat to the party's tally. 3 magisterial recounts have now been completed, with the JLP gaining 1 additional seat. After much twist and turn, the Westmoreland Eastern count ended in favor of the JLP, pushing the seat count to 49 to 14. For JLP supporters, the writing was on the wall from Monday afternoon. That's when the celebration started.
We pick up roughly about 8 of the rejected ballot, which totally to be 26 for the past 3 days, and Luther Buchanan pick up 15. So basically, we are ahead in terms of reject ballot.
By midday Tuesday, the counting was completed. The JLP's Daniel Lawrence got 4,862 votes to the PNP's Luther Buchanan 4,851. The independent candidate, Haile Mikael, received 36 votes.
Mr. Luther Buchanan polled 11 less votes than Mr. Lawrence, who had defeated him by magisterial recount by 11 votes. It is a slim margin, and we in the People's National Party have congratulated Mr. Lawrence on his victory. We recognize it was close. It was always going to be a close election.
We were always confident in the belief that, based on our analysis of the numbers, particularly in respect to the rejected ballots, that we had the plurality of the votes in those rejected ballots.
Rejected ballots played a critical role in deciding the winners in the magisterial recounts. Attorneys in the St. Catherine Northwest recount suggested that the electorate may need to be educated on how to properly mark a ballot in an election. In the Clarendon Northwestern recount, over 1,000 ballots were rejected in the initial count. That recount started on Tuesday. A recount is also underway in St. Anne Southeastern, where the PNP's Lisa Hanna won by just over 30 votes. Nonetheless, while other MPs were being sworn in at the Jamaica Conference Center in Kingston, celebrations, though delayed, have increased among JLP supporters in Westmoreland Eastern.
I am elated. I have long awaited a moment like this. I have been there with Mr. Lawrence from the get-go, and I was confident, and I remain confident all throughout this process that he would become victorious.
I'm feeling great. The people deserve the win.
We are certain that Mr. Lawrence will make an excellent Member of Parliament.